Good morning and welcome to Tuesday, the Bubba Show. Hope everybody had a great Labor Day weekend. It was relaxing, enjoying, and maybe the traders came back and they'll come back to roost and we'll actually get some business. Actually, I wouldn't get too excited for today, as I think that people are just getting back and settled. We've got a lot of news this week, which we'll talk about. But typically, we do recap and preview on Monday, and it is Tuesday this week, so we're going to look at last week's action. And last Friday, we saw the smoke came out of the chimney, and Uncle Ben had his speech, and at first they didn't like it, and they drilled the market, and then all of a sudden they said, oh no, we made a mistake, we love it, and the market went crazy and flew upwards. Bottom line is for the Thursday anticipation last week of the number and the Friday news, it was really a non-event. And that's really what it is. The whole market right now is a non-event. A few interesting things, a few interesting notes to take a look at though. You have to look at the Treasury bond market, the interest rates, they continue to fall. That was a pretty normal call as a trader, as an investor looking at that. If you followed my program, you would have known that that was a sign that was telling you something. That the government, that the Fed, not the government, the Fed had to be buying Treasury bonds because they cannot let the rates afford to get out of their, too far away from them because of how much money that they have borrowed in that spot. So, but as we look at last week, really a non-event, very quiet, diminishing volume, and we've all been looking for this after Labor Day. We've all been looking for this after Labor Day move where we get action. And now, look, it may not happen today. It may not happen tomorrow. What we're looking for is we're looking for action to come back to the market. Now, this week is going to be loaded with news going forward. We are still in a somewhat of an uptrend in all of the major markets, okay, including the commodities. The only market that is actually moving down right now is the U.S. dollar. So what we're going to look for this week is we're going to have to interpret some of this news. There's going to be a lot of market expectation, but I would expect to see this week a little quiet on the volume side because you've got a lot of news that's coming in. We've got everybody coming back from vacation and a lot of news to be driven here. You've got the ADP unemployment number tomorrow on Wednesday. You've got the big number on Friday. So you've got a lot of numbers that come out. You've also got the Democratic National Convention. You've got a big announcement coming out of the EU. You've got the FOMC meeting in 2 weeks. So there's a lot of information combined here. It's still going to come down to trading our charts and trading our levels, but I'm not so sure that the first 1 or 2 days of the week are going to return us back to normal volume. I will be ready, excuse me, we'll be ready to react on the market if we get that information. But we're not going to predict. Let's let the markets trade. September is going to be a good month. We're going to start to get some more action. We're going to start to get some more clarity in the markets. For this week, let's just play the news, lots of numbers, be ready to react on those numbers as they come out. For Monday, the Bubba Show, remember, Bubba's Picks, still doing well. Everybody have a great day. For Monday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you, for Tuesday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Wednesday. Have a good day, everybody.